Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your friend telling him the miserable condition you were in after a heavy storm. Own address: Dear friend, I hope this letter finds you and family in good health. Thank you for your letter inquiring about our condition after the cyclone. It is hard to describe what we went through on the day of the cyclone. It was raining very heavily before the storm. The wind was very strong and powerful. We had got the warning from weather department, but nothing prepared us for such devastation. The roof above our garage was blown away. The window glass panes of the living room were broken. There was no power in our house for several days. Fortunately, no one was hurt. I pray for those less fortunate and lost a loved one of their house. No more today, more when we meet. Yours ever, own name, friend's address. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.